Alright guys, so this is our first look at Islands of Adventure. This is everything that you see when you first get into the park.
The moving walkway exit is approaching. Please, watch your step.
We made it into Islands of Adventure right now, and we're waiting to like go through all the stuff right now, but like I said earlier, I don't think I'm going to be going on very many roller coasters because I'm just not a roller coaster person, and I'm not ready to do all that right now. But I'm going to try to get the best like cinematic things that I can get for you guys, just so you can see what it looks like to be here, you know, the vibes that you get just being around the park. I think it's a great vibe that I'm getting right now, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. But it basically like adds.
Just call me Jinx, because I've had my share of bum luck. And before you ask, yeah, I heard about it, but I ain't seen no giant ape. Let's try to keep it that way. What's his name again? Frank. Frank? We're out of here.
I know. I was ready to look at
Team 1, this is base. Jinx, are you en route with the replacements and supplies for Team 2?
Yeah, Millie, on the way.
that was so cool. Wow. I knew I was right.
Any of you speak the language? You ever get the feeling you was being watched? Maybe that was a con. Don't look so mighty now. This place gives me the creeps. I'll say so. Hiya, Kate.
We're gonna need help putting out the traps. Joe, how's it look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Oh, great. I hate these flying rats. Vortexes! Take cover! Joe!
Hang on, Kate. We're coming. Gotta go get Kate. Don't leave Kate behind. Kate!
Go, you filthy!
guys, so now we're in line for Jurassic Park River something, but yeah.
I don't know that I've ever been on the front row here.
Time, the ever-flowing river. Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world, and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Everything out of the bag, and you can put the bag on your head.
Don't slip your hands inside the water. Keep your hands in the vehicle at all times, or your baby or your hole will stop.
That includes Protoceratops and the mighty Triceratops.
Huh? I know, I've seen him. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm soaking wet right now. We just went on the River Jurassic Park ride, and I got to record a little bit, but they were being a little stingy with the cameras, so I couldn't record a lot. But basically, there was this big drop at the end, and like, you get soaked pretty much, so yeah.